In this video, we'll demonstrate how to replace the constant force balances on a double hung window. Before beginning, make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves. You'll need a medium or large flathead screwdriver and replacement constant force balances that match your window's size and style. Begin by unlocking the window and using the tilt latches to tilt the sash inward. Then, carefully disengage the pivot bar from the balance shoes. Lift it out of the frame and remove the lower sash, setting it out of harm's way, preferably on a padded surface. Then, remove the upper sash by following the same process. If the balances are damaged and will not allow the sash to stay up in the open position, care must be taken to support the weight of the sash as you tilt it inward toward yourself. The constant force balance assemblies have now been exposed. For this video, we're replacing the balance on an upper sash and using a box cutter to free the balance assembly from the track as shown here. Remove the Phillips head screw from the balance assembly. This will allow the assembly to be moved to the top of the window frame. Then use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the balance assembly out of its channel. Set the old components aside and inspect the frame for dirt or damage. Attach the new constant force coil to the new balance assembly. Now insert the new assembly into the frame channel, making sure it's oriented correctly. Attach the assembly to the frame using the Phillips head screw from the removal process. Repeat the process for the opposite side of the window if needed. Once both sides are replaced, use a balance tensioning tool or screwdriver to rotate the shoe into the correct locked position within the track. Position the balance shoes parallel to each other on both sides of the window. Reinstall the sash by tilting it back into the frame and engaging the pivot bars into the new shoes. Tilt the sash back into place, close, and lock it, and test the operation to ensure smooth and balanced movement.